Hello children, how are you? Are you fine there? Yes, very good. Are you happy at home? Yes. Are your parents helping you? Did you do yesterday's worksheets? I hope you all have finished all the worksheets. Today we are going to the page 25-26 of your worksheet. Get ready with that. We are going to do the next alphabet, that is Q. Repeat after me, Q. So take out a pencil, get ready with your worksheet, sit on a table, take a rubber, pencil, everything, and get ready to write 6 words with Q. Okay. Okay. See, the first word in your worksheet with Q is quit. What is the spelling of quit? Q-U-I-T. Quit. What is the spelling? Read louder. Q-U-I-T. Quit. Now write along with me. You all know how to write capital Q, isn't it? Yes. Q-U-I-T. Quit. Once more. Q. Very easy to write Q, isn't it? U-I-T. Quit. Q-U-I-T. Quit. I'll teach you the meaning later. Now you just study the spellings. Q-U-I-T. Quit. Now next is quarrel. See, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. Say louder. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. Say louder and write. Okay. Once more. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. Next word is Q-U-I-L-T. What is that? Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. We'll write now. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Once more. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Study. Okay. First word is quit, quarrel, quilt. Yes. Now we'll move to the small letter Q. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Right? Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Once more. Q between line number 2 and 3 down. U-I-C-K. Quick. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Then next is Q-U-E-E-N. That is, say, can you just guess what is that word? Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Once more. Q-U Next word is quite. Q-U-I-E-T, quite. I'll write Q-U-I-E-T, quite, silent. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Keep quiet. Teacher tell no when she comes to class, if you're making noise, keep quiet. Okay, so these are the 3 words with small letter Q. Quick, queen, quiet. So shall we repeat once again? Q-U-I-T, quit. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L, quarrel. Learn this. It's a big one. You have to learn. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L, quarrel. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. I will show what the quilt is. Show. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Okay, are you familiar now with all the words? Slowly, after this class, after viewing this class, you write down and keep both sides you have to do in your worksheets. Okay, understood. Now I will show you some pictures or some sentences with these words. Okay, see the first word, quit. Q-U-I-T, quit. It is time to quit the work. It is time to quit the work. That is stop, you go off. It is time to quit the work. Stop the work and go off. Leave the place. It is time to quit. Q-U-I-T, quit. Q-U-I-T, quit. Next, I quit. I will not play with you again. I quit. I'm angry with you. I'm quitting. I quit. I will not play with you again. They see, yeah, he's going off. I quit. I will not play with you again. Q-U-I-T, quit. Next word, quarrel. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. See, quarrel means fight. Hey, have you seen the squirrel and pigeon quarrel? See, children, have you seen squirrel and pigeon quarreling? Or they quarrel? See, they're fighting. Do you quarrel at home? Yeah, I know you all are good children. Don't fight with each other. When you come to school also, you should be good like this. Quarrel. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. Why do you quarrel with me? See, two ladies are fighting. And she's asking, why do you quarrel with me? Again, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L, quarrel. Next word, quilt. There is a good offer on quilt. I said you, I'll show you later. This is the quilt. Q-U-I-L, that is a type of blanket which we used to cover. See, a thick cloth. There is a good offer on quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. The cat is under the quilt. Yeah, see a small cat coming. Yeah, where is the cat? It is under the quilt. Quilt, quilt. Next word, quick. Come on, quick, wash your hands. Come on, quick, wash your hands. Quick, quick, fast. Quick, quick. Quick. Quick, run. Dog is behind you. Quick, run. The boy is running very fast. Who is coming behind the dog? Sorry, behind the boy. A dog is coming. Quick, run. Dog is behind you. Quick, quick. The queen is sad. See, you know who is a queen? Lady with a crown. Huh? The queen is very sad. She is very sad, isn't it? Yeah, what is spelling of queen? Queen. 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 The queen is so beautiful. See how, wow, she's really beautiful, isn't it? The queen is so beautiful. Queen. Queen. The queen is so beautiful. Be quiet, dear. The girl is saying to this toy or her friend, be quiet, be silent. Quiet, quiet. Quiet, quiet. Be quiet, dear. Inside class also, children, you should remain quiet. Yes, the next sentence. Quiet. Shh. Dad, hear that. He's making his dad keep silent. Quiet. Shh. Dad, just hear that. Please be silent, Dad. Okay, that is a man telling. Quiet. 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 Okay, so now you are familiar with all the words with Q. Did you get all the meanings? Yes, isn't it? I showed a lot of pictures here. I hope all your words are clear to you. So now write slowly both sides and study the spelling slowly one by one, so that when you come to school, you will be familiar with all the spellings. Okay, work hard, children. Now itself you start working hardly. Okay, so do your work, finish your work and then go to sleep. Yes, thank you, children. Bye.